Here's a home inspection tip related to the protection of wood against decay, wood rot. The surface drainage at a house, that's the water running on the surface of the ground, must be diverted to a storm sewer or some other point that collects the water that doesn't create a hazard. Now, building lots, that's the ground around a house perimeter, should be graded or sloped to drain the surface water away from the foundation. And the ground should be sloped so that you have 6 inches of fall that goes down within the first 10 feet of the foundation. And if you don't have that first 10 feet, then you need a drain or a swale of some type. If you have a concrete sidewalk or a patio or an impervious surface within 10 feet of the house foundation, it's got to be sloped, but no more than 2% grade, no more than 2% slope away from the building. A 2% slope is like 3/4 of an inch drop in a 3-foot wide sidewalk. So that's your InterNACHI home inspection tip for the day.